Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As a part of my holiday appetizer series, I'm going to show you today how to make some cocktail meatballs. So here goes. All right, so this is what you're going to need for your appetizer, the meatballs. You're going to need some home-style meatballs, some chili sauce, and some cranberry sauce. Now, I make my own cranberry sauce to have, but this one is just fine to use for this appetizer. Okay, so you're going to empty your cranberry sauce into the pot. And then you're going to empty in your whole jar of chili sauce. Okay, so here we go. You're going to let that continue to melt. Let that cranberry sauce continue to melt. You're going to taste it. You might want to add a little sugar. It's up to you. I added some garlic powder and onion powder. But you really don't need to add much of anything, y'all. I'm not going to use this whole bag of meatballs. Use about half the bag. And I'm going to just let this go. Let this simmer until these meatballs heat through. See how simple that was? A simple holiday get-together appetizer. And it's cheap. I don't know. I bought this one, this cranberry sauce. I bought the ocean spray. But this chili sauce tastes just like the Heinz. Exactly like the Heinz. Just so you know. As you can see, the sauce has coated these meatballs, and that's what you want. I know some of you may know how people make the meatballs with the chili sauce and the grape jelly, but this is better. This is so much better. Okay, so here's an idea of how to set up an appetizer station for the holidays or any get-together. So I have some deviled eggs. Here are the meatballs. Some spinach dip. And I had a rotel and a veggie tray. Now, this little contraption, I'm going to show you a picture of it by itself. I got it from Walmart. It might have been $20, something like that. I don't remember. So here's what it looks like. But it wasn't expensive at all. It has 3 compartments. They're rather deep. Like I got that half a bag of meatballs in there. A half a pack of Velveeta. It was 2 pounds of ground beef to make the rotel. And I could have done 2, maybe 3 recipes of the spinach dip. Now, if you want the spinach dip recipe, I will link it below. You'll see that video below. But these get really hot. They keep the food really warm. What I would suggest you do is turn it on low while you're getting your appetizers ready, so that you're not putting hot food into a cold container. So I do suggest you do that. But that is it. I hope that y'all have a wonderful holiday season. If you have any questions about appetizers, if you have any requests for any appetizers, desserts, or anything like that, let me know. That is going to be more what my Vlogmas is going to be. It's going to be more recipes and things like that versus the typical Vlogmas vlogs, okay? So that's that. But I will see y'all later. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.